It's definitely a difficult period, especially for hospitality businesses that they're having to see all their customers outside, and we're not being blessed with some sunshine this month. So I think that everyone's going to be really eager for that date to come around, and taking some of those measures that the businesses are doing, they're really important, and getting tested regularly is also really important. So I'm really pleased to see how much work is going into by all of our businesses. But it's also created lots of opportunities. So lots of organisations around Southend have come together through this pandemic to really work together and collaborate for safe reopenings. And I think that's really a really positive aspect, or at least there's one positive side to the pandemic that we can find, and I'm sure that that's going to continue throughout the years.
Yes, it's a collaboration, and I always say that if we sort out health, we can sort out the economy too. The two work together in harmony, and therefore it is incumbent upon us that we keep our infection control up. We keep our case numbers down. We do all we can to prevent the spread of infection. We don't get greedy and pack our place with more people than we should. We don't get greedy and not ventilate our place because our heating bills are going up. And we take the measures like keep the noise level down, keep the number of people down, make sure people are wearing their masks. There are staff, there are senior members of the staff, there are members of the public. They're all default. And therefore, it should be a case of we should be able to tell everyone, including the owner, the premises, and the senior manager, you're not wearing your mask properly. Please do so. These are important things. And if people did all those things, hopefully we will prevent cases being generated, and we will prevent another surge in number of cases and prevent another lockdown. And that is good for health, and it is good for business and the economy.
Definitely. I think with the more vaccines being rolled out, with businesses adhering to all of those guidelines, and with people, just being just generally a little bit more careful as we proceed out of these three stages, then I think that we're on a good path to having some sense of normality later on in this summer.
I agree with you. And with the arrival of summer, of course, more outdoor activities take place, schools will be shutting, and therefore the case numbers will go down. But we must now develop a habit of how to live with the SARS-CoV-2 virus. It is here for the long term, and the sooner we make it an instinctive habit, the sooner we can live with it. So we must develop instinctive second nature habits with respect to avoid getting close to people we don't know, avoid crowds, avoid closed indoor poorly ventilated places, wear your mask properly, wash your hands frequently and dry them.
Thank you.
And of course, one more thing which I must also emphasize is when your turn comes to be immunized, please take up that offer. Vaccines save lives, and they will save your life.
Couldn't agree more. I can't wait to get my vaccine, to be honest. So thank you very much for your time, and
My pleasure.
talk to you later.
Thank you.